They are saying that, for example, they say that TDP has not got enough ministers. They are saying that you should break up, you will have differences with them over uniform civil code, over Muslim quota. Nara Lokesh came and gave me an interview, Professor Jyotsna. I know him. He came here when his father was in trouble. He met him, so I called him and he gave me an interview. And I asked Nara Lokesh, so what about Muslim quota? Because you have given Muslim quota and there are problems. He said, see, we have to work for the development of the people. So the issues we are going to talk about are issues regarding development of Amravati, people, employability and resources.
That's right.
Yes.
But somebody else interviewed him and then pulled out a headline saying Nara Lokesh says Muslim quota will stay, big differences creep up between BJP and TDP on day one, cracks within ruling alliance. What's right? I mean, is that true? Is that true? Are there cracks? Can someone tell me on the program tonight, Priyanka, are there cracks or are there cracks in your thinking? I don't see where the cracks are. They're happening.
They're dreaming. They're dreaming.
Why are you dreaming, Priyanka? They're not breaking up. There's no breakup happening. They're going steady and strong.
For running a coalition government, you need to have a democratic approach. A domineering person, a person who has a dictatorial attitude cannot run a coalition government. And I'll show you the cracks. It's the same NDA where Nitish Kumar is there and Mr. Modi used to tell about Nitish Kumar unke DNA mein dosh hai. It's the same NDA where Chandrababu Naidu is there and Naidu ji used to compare him with a terrorist. He compared Modi with a terrorist. So this is a form of NDA alliance where the power, the hungry nature of BJP, the power-hungry nature of BJP is going to be squashed because, you know, there is an attitude in Narendra Modi of being cult personality. So that is going to be suppressed when he has to share power with everyone. I'll give you a small reflection on the attitude of BJP. You know, in the cabinet there are 30 ministers where 25 are from BJP. Only 5 are from others. So now tell me, right now he was talking, no, Poonawala ji.
Which cabinet are you talking about?
I am talking about when Narendra Modi always used to give Tughlaki farman, kabhi thali bajwa do, kabhi diya jalwa do, kabhi ye karwa do, kabhi lockdown karwa do, pure federal structure ko tehas nehas kar do. So I am saying that
तो आप क्या चाहते हैं कि आप क्या चाहते हैं आपको लॉकडाउन नहीं चाहिए you didn't want lockdown आपका your problem is with lockdown
That you know that you know
my problem is that Narendra Modi did not consider the federalism word of the constitution.
What is he talking?
रातों रात हीरो टाइप एंट्री मार के कर दो और बिहार के लोग उत्तर प्रदेश के लोग पेट में गमछा बांध करके गर्मी में बीच रोड पर चलते रहे वो नहीं नजर आएगा because Narendra Modi was taking 2000 kg mushroom and sitting in his room. I have problem with that.
Let him hit back at her. If she's hitting back at him, let them hit back at each other. We have to decide which two are in this versus. Shehzad is taking her on. Now, I just want to correct you, Priyanka. With due respect, the BJP has 61. No, BJP has 61 ministers. NDA has 11 ministers. There are 30 cabinet ministers. And 36 ministers of state, 5 are independent charge. So you got your numbers a bit wrong.
But nonetheless, no, may I respond? Otherwise, she will take the hook and keep going for another 5 minutes.
5 from other parties. Just look at it once.
Arnab, may I now come in because you have asked me to come in? She quoted the statement of Chandrababu Naidu ji.
कांग्रेस वालों ने चोरी कर रखी है, मुलायम सिंह यादव ने चोरी कर रखी है, मायावती ने चोरी कर रखी है, सबने चोरी कर रखी है। और अगर ये पार्टियां जन लोकपाल बिल पास कर देंगे तो ये सारे जेल चले जाएंगे, सबकी संपत्ति।
अब इनके स्टेटमेंट क्या थे एक दूसरे के विषय में? चोर है, सब चोर। इनका तो तलाक हो गया, ज्योत्सना जी बोल रही थी ना शादी अभी हुई है, इनका तलाक हरियाणा में हो गया। हुड्डा जी said no India alliance anymore. In Delhi they are carrying matka and they are throwing it on Kejriwal's party and they are saying Congress is saying water crisis in Delhi. ये कल तक एक दूसरे के साथ थे, इनका तलाक हो चुका है।